accidentally filmed sideways. Let's fix that rotation in seconds. First, open your project in Editing 24/7 and click on the video clip you want to rotate. In the Properties or Transform panel, look for the Rotation field. You'll see degrees. Enter 90 for quarter turn and 180 to flip it, or -90 to rotate counterclockwise. You can also drag a circular dial depending on your version. Check the preview to make sure it's upright. If parts get cut off, scale the video down a little under the scale option. Once satisfied, export the video and you're done. Use snapping tools to align rotated clips perfectly within the frame. Is your rotate option visible? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.